work, and this is what I get to drive home in. I know, the thumbnail, right? So yeah, I actually put a bullet in the Mustang. I'll explain that later. The Nismo, it's at the body shop. Not good. Not bad, but not good. Cold start, y'all. 1999 Ford Ranger. We still got the Hummer. The wife is driving it. The Nissan, had a little incident with the Nissan involving a curb stop. So I've got some video of that damage. So while I drive home and while I drive to the house, I'll let y'all watch that video clip. So here we are. We're gonna check out this little boo-boo. And now there it is. Man. Yeah. You gotta get that fixed. Clip. And get back to the man cave. We'll take a look at the Mustang. And it did get a bullet. I got proof. It's in it. Alright, so sad state of affairs right here, y'all. It's a good thing, it's a bad thing. I know. I was driving. And it was running. And everything was great. The modifications just don't stop, and I have to take it apart to do this. So air conditioning is being put in, and I am doing the wiring harness. I have stated previously before about a new wiring harness, so I'm working on that. And so far, compressor's kind of in there. I got to modify this bracket to go from York style to Sandon compressor style. Bolts don't line up. Yeah, it's all good. Air conditioner unit is in there. I got to do the plumbing. I got to put the condenser in. But let's check out the interior, which was all put together and wonderful. And now, yeah, I did paint the whole dash, so that looks a lot better. And I'm trying to get the wiring harness out of it and labeled, so I can work on this nightmare right here. So, oh, speaking of showing, thought I snaked you. You wanted to see the bullet in the Mustang. It's literally got a bullet. Let me show you. So, yeah, I put a bullet in it. Put a bullet right in the block. Right down here in the side. You see that? That is a 9mm bullet. I know you're asking, why did you use a 9mm bullet in your block? That is where the oil dipstick tube is. Sorry. That's where the oil dipstick tube is on this motor. Well, with those shorty headers I put on, I wasn't able to bend the tube to get it through there without it being really kinked. So on this 302 block, it has a oil dipstick tube on the front timing chain. If I can get a good view of that. Yeah. Right there. So it goes in there, and that was a better fit. Not a whole lot of bending. It was easy to bend that. And it's right there with the transmission dipstick. So they're both on one side. So that's kind of neat. So guys, as far as the Mustang goes, I got a lot of work to do to it. It's getting cold. And what would you do if it was your car? You can just leave that in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think about it. The 370Z is in the body shop, and that's one high dollar bumper. So yeah, more to come on that. I'll update y'all when I can. And the Hummer, same thing. Lots going on with it. Headlight mod is finished. Looks great. If you're interested in Hummers and repairs and off-roading, check out my playlist on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description below, and if y'all want to see other things that I don't post videos and just pictures and whatnot, you can check out my Instagram account. Link in the description below. Other than that, I guess I'm going to be sporting a Ford Ranger for a little while. Anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, man, hit that subscribe button, because there's more to come in the man cave, maybe outside the man cave, as the Grizzly is itching to go for a ride. And definitely need to get the four-wheeler out, and we'll do some more on that. And the drone. Can't forget about the drone. Hopefully. It's always something going on in the man cave. We'll see you guys next time.